Popular TV actress Shweta Tiwari has set the temperature soaring with her recent photo shoot on Instagram. In the pictures, Shweta is looking like a true blue diva in the red outfit. Sharing the photos, the Kasauti Zindagi Ki actor wrote, "Be uncommon and wear some red." With perfect eye makeup, brushed up cheekbones, and a dash of red lipstick, Shweta looked dreamy. In her another photo shoot, Shweta is looking stunning in mauve cord set. Shweta Tiwari has been a part of acting business for over 2 decades now. The actress is happy the way her career has shaped up and does not regret anything. Shweta started working in 1999, but it was her portrayal of Prerna Sharma Bajaj in the popular TV show Kasauti Zindagi Ki, which ran from 2001 to 2008, that made her a household name. She was later seen in television series including Parvarish, Begusarai and Mere Dad Ki Dulhan. I am very happy with the growth. Even the mistakes I have made in my career, I have learned something out of them. I don't regret anything in my career, Shweta told INS. The 40-year-old actress said that she has always tried to do something different. I never made myself monotonous. I never did the same kind of roles again and again. Till the time I'm working, I'm going to try different work. For me, money was not the criteria, the work was the criteria, she said. The actress added, "When I look back, I am super happy and I want to look forward. I want to do many roles and different kind of work." Shweta is currently seen in the 11th season of Khatron Ke Khiladi, hosted by filmmaker Rohit Shetty on Colors.